So this is one of the common instruments. This is called a grasper, and I'll show you how to clean this kind of an instrument. You can see here there is a lower lock jack on all the instruments, which is used to attach the cleaning instruments. So first of all, we will take a syringe filled with normal saline. So after the surgery, you can attach this and you can use it to flush any debris through the entire instrument. Another thing which we can use is use of Avalon. So again, this Avalon we can take and use it to clean the instrument. We can take some gauze, and as you can see, this is a soapy solution which can be very useful in cleaning out the gross debris. So we use this solution just to wipe the instrument like this and use it to flush any debris out. After that, we can use this normal saline to remove any excess Avalon from the instrument and wash the entire instrument. Like, share and subscribe for more medical insights. If you have any questions or topics you want us to cover, comment below. We'd be happy to create a video for you. This is Dr. Varun Agarwal, specialist in advanced robotics and endoscopic spine surgery. So we can wash the entire instrument with the help of NS and Avalon, and any blood or blood particles which are sticking can be wiped out, and you can use a mop to dry the instrument. One of the things you will notice that most of the debris is in the hinge of this instrument, and the hinge starts getting rusted. So we should pay special attention, and we can use some small toothbrush also to clean these tips of these instruments. So with Avalon, again I am cleaning the tip so that this entire thing is free of any residual tissue and debris. And you can see here that once I scrubbed in the hinge, some dirt was there. So all these will remain inside and will reduce the life of your instruments. So another important thing is, after wiping the instrument with a dry mop, always use an air gun which can be used to dry all the instruments and any so if you will see here, focus at the tip, that any residual moisture which is there inside the shaft, which will make it rust, is been blown out. So we will dry the instrument. So now coming on to lubrication. For the instrument, we will take this can and attach the lubricating attachment. We can also take a plastic sheet so that the pressure of the can the contents of the can, they don't come on our face, and then we will attach it here to the lower lock, cover it, and just like this 1 or 2 times we will use it to lubricate, and you will see that the entire thing, because it is a nitrogen can, will become cold. And if it is not there at the hinge, you can use it extra at the hinge like this. In this way your entire thing is lubricated, and use again a mop to wipe out the excess lubricant, and now this can be packed for sterilization.